Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Scholarship Network. As you all know, the current period is going on, so mostly people are at home. That is why I'm making videos on free online courses, which you will be able to do from your home with free certificate. Last time I made a video on free online courses from University of Oxford with free certificate, and I'm very happy that one of my followers did the free online course from University of Oxford with the help of my video. If you get any help through my videos or through my website, then share with us. Today I will discuss a great opportunity for you. British Council is providing free online IELTS preparation as well as free online courses in almost all fields at your doorstep with free certificates. In IELTS courses section, you are able to attend all four types of courses like IELTS reading, IELTS writing, IELTS speaking, and IELTS listening. If you want to study in another country or move abroad for work, you may need IELTS to prove your English language ability. So I think this option is better for preparation of IELTS. Other section is free online courses, in which you are able to study almost all courses like engineering and arts. At the end, you will get a certificate. After getting this certificate, your CV will become stronger because you have an additional degree from top rank university. Furthermore, everyone is able to apply like job holder. Even if your study is not completed, you are eligible to apply. Moreover, intermediate students can also apply. There is no age restriction and it is totally free, like no application fee, no study fee. One amazing thing is that you will get 100% granted admission. There is no chance that after registration you will be rejected because it is an online course. Classes is online means you will study the courses at your home. So watch this video till the end before going to the official website. Please subscribe to my channel as we have started a new service for you for writing different letters like statement of purpose, study plan, research proposal, motivational letter is etc. We charge a little bit for these services, however, we do not charge for review of your document, but you need to get an appointment, so first apply for appointment and wait for your turn. If you want to contact, then go to the About tab of YouTube where you will find my Facebook ID. Now we go to the official website, that is FutureLearn. Link is given in the description as well. Through this portal, you can access all of the British Council free online courses. Courses are offered by British Council, and the online platform which is used to access is futurelearn.com. British Council is offering two types of courses. One is IELTS course, in which you learn about listening, writing, reading, speaking. Other is the professional courses, in which you are able to do your field related courses. I think all courses are available. So this is the official page from where you can check out all of the courses which are available by British Council. This is the website of futurelearn.com. I told you about FutureLearn already, that it is the online platform from where you can access all British Council courses. They have given some of the information about British Council. You can read this. So here is the online program that I told you about, the Understanding IELTS program, in which you will learn about IELTS speaking, IELTS listening, and IELTS writing and reading, and all about understanding IELTS. If you want to join any IELTS courses, then just click on find more courses. For example, I'm clicking on IELTS writing, then click on join course for free. This will show you three categories. If you want to join as a free candidate, then click on free join. After this, new page will open. Now you need an account. If you have already an account, then simply log in. Otherwise, register yourself through Facebook or through Gmail. Now you are able to start your course. So to take a professional course, you have to click on short courses. From here you can filter out the course that you want to take. Over here they have given all of the subjects and which courses are offered. For example, you can click on any of the subject. I'm clicking on business and management, and then these are all of the courses related to the business and management. You can take from British Council. From this page you have to select any of courses which you want from. For example, I'm clicking on this course. You have to click on go to course. Then on this page you can get information about this course, the reading material, the activities. There are 5 weeks in which you will be studying it and what's included. You can read this. After completion of this course, you will be to getting unlimited access to this course, which includes any article, videos or quiz. You will also receive a PDF certificate of achievement to prove your success when you are eligible. So yes, a certificate is available in this course. So let me clear this to you that some of courses have certificate and some of the courses do not have a certificate. In some of the courses you have to upgrade and pay a little bit to get the certificate, while some courses are offering a free certificate. You can get other detail from my website. That's all about it. Subscribe to my channel for further scholarships and courses. Wish you all the best and Allah Hafiz.